Waiting on me means directing your attention to me in hopeful anticipation of what I will do. It entails trusting me with every fiber of your being instead of trying to figure things out yourself. Waiting on me is the way I design you to live all day, every day. I created you to stay conscious of me as you go about your daily duties. I have promised many blessings to those who wait on me: renewed strength, living above one's circumstances, resurgence of hope, awareness of my continual presence. Waiting on me enables you to glorify me by living in deep dependence on me, ready to do my will. It also helps you to enjoy me, and my presence is fullness of joy. Lamentations 3:24 through 26, Isaiah 40:31, Psalm 16:11. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This Sunday reset number 7 is gonna be me basically spring cleaning because my house was literally a mess, and the Sunday after that it was still a mess because I'm mentally over it. But we're gonna give ourselves some self-love, give ourselves some grace. We're gonna take it day by day, okay? We go through a lot of things as humans in general, so give yourself grace. If you feel like your mental health is not up enough to keep everything together, do not feel bad or feel worse for not being able to do anything because you mentally cannot take it, okay? Just take it day by day. And I'm learning that. So I restocked my trash can. Everything on the counter is literally what I put together. It was my dirty makeup brushes and my lunchbox, and I think that was a bag from shopping somewhere at Kroger or something. No, it was a bag of snacks. I straightened up and I got my Lysol wipes and I wiped down my lunchbox. A lot of the times when I clean, it helps me feel therapeutic. It is like my therapy. But you can also tell that my mental health is a wreck because my cleaning will be a reflection of that. And I kind of feel like most people are like that, but I honestly know when it's like I'm either upset and my house is a mess or I'm upset and my house is clean, okay? It's like back and forth, back and forth. But either way it goes, just take it day by day, okay? So I got impatient and decided to just spray water in there to get the soap out. And then I basically put it on a drying mat to dry. And then I moved on to stocking up the clean dishes in the cabinet. I like to organize my stuff, one set of cabinets for glasses and the other cabinet for like plastics and stuff. So I did that, and I stocked them up. I want to figure out a way to better organize it, but I really don't have that much glassware in general to really organize it as much as I can, as much as I want to. So I'm gonna just figure out ways to do it, and then I'll apply it. I also started putting the dirty dishes inside of the dishwasher. I love dishwashers. Like y'all already know from one of my last Sunday resets, like dishwashers are like the best thing ever invented, especially for people who deal or struggle with emotions and mental health. When you don't feel like cleaning, just lightly wash them off and put them in, baby. It is gonna be okay. That is my saving grace. That dishwasher really saves me from everything because dishes in the sink is out of line. It is out of line. That's what I will not tolerate. Like excessive dishes in the sink. Like maybe 4 or 5 cups or one glass plate or something. Okay, that's fine. But just excessive dishes, I'm no longer tolerating that when my mental health goes to crap. So yeah, I got the dishwasher packs and the finishing liquid detergent or whatever, and I put it inside, and then I continued to basically clean. I wanted to come to y'all and talk about self-love because um, I feel like that is the most important love to have, because when you don't love yourself, how can you love others? They love to say treat people like you want to be treated, but what if that person does not treat themselves well? how can they treat anyone else well? If you're not happy and you're not good to yourself, how can you be good to others? And I never thought about it like that until one of the sermons that I watched from my pastor helped me to see it that way. Because at first I was oblivious. I was like, everybody's gonna treat somebody good because everybody want to be treated good. But what if what if the person just genuinely does not care whether they're treated good or bad? You can't say treat everybody like you want to be treated, because everyone wants to be treated differently. Like me, I want to be treated good. I want to be treated bougie, like a princess, all of that. The next person might not want to be treated that way. They might want to be treated like regular, or like a friend. Like, you just never know. You never know. I just feel like self-love is the most important love to have, because when it all boils down to it, you are all you have. We come in this world alone. Yes, if you're a twin, you came in with somebody, but still, we come in this world alone, and we will leave this world alone. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of the things that you have. Take care of your mental health. If something is not going right for you, let it go. Life is too short to sit there and mentally go through so much, especially when it's something that you can fix. If it's something that you can just depart from it. If it's not that easy, like grief or passing of a loved one, I get it. But do not wreck yourself by trying to stay with something that is not making you happy, okay? I took the Fabuloso and the bleach, and I took a pot of water that I filled up from the faucet. I don't know why the napkin is in the way. And I basically made me some mop water so that I could mop my floor and clean the floor. So when I spring clean, I literally start from the bottom up. Like, everything has to get clean the old school way and broken down and spraying, like everything has to be in tip top shape. And yes, I have a timer because I like to time myself when I clean up. I will literally, if I can, I will take all day, but I don't want to take all day because I have things to do. So I set a timer, and I pretty much just keep working, keep going from area to area. One thing I do suggest when you're cleaning is not to just zigzag. Stay in one area until it's done and then move on. That's how you move faster. You waste more time moving around and trying to figure out different spots if you don't focus on one area. So how I was in the kitchen, I focused on the kitchen, then I went to my bathroom, focused on my bathroom. I took everything off, wiped everything down, sprayed the mirror, and wiped that down with the Windex. Then I went to my tub, and I love that sprayer. Like, I will put that link in the bio, the shower head. That is the most amazing thing. I can clean my shower in 10 minutes. Like, it's so simple, so easy. I just spray it down. I put some Clorox bleach on there, and then I go ahead and put some Comet, and I scrub it down with the scrubbing pad, and then I use the shower head sprayer, the jet sprayer, and that is the most easiest thing to do. It's so easy, so quick. After letting that dry, I went ahead and put everything back together neatly, my cotton balls and cotton swabs, and I restocked the cotton balls. I had to go buy some more cotton swabs because I didn't have any more. It's restocked now, but in the video it will not be restocked. Behind that is my wax warmer. Sometimes when I shower, I turn that on, so when I come out of the shower, or if it's strong enough, it'll come into the shower and give me like a spa experience and make me, feel good. I also do that with candles as well, but the wax warmer is just so much easier to just plug it in. I wipe down the toilet, go ahead and clean that, clean inside the bowl as well, and then I go ahead and I mop the floor. I'm literally going in. Like, I just could not take it no more. I love I love when my home is clean. Not to say that my home was just that messy, because it wasn't. But I had a few things on the counter, a few things on the island in the kitchen, like just small stuff. But I like it to be in tip top shape because my weeks get busy and I work long shifts. Um, 8 hour shifts are norm, but 12-hour shifts every 2 to 3 times a week. So I like to, at least when I do have the time, take the time out to do the work, because I will pay for it later on. I don't want to come home to a messy house. No. I had to restock the batteries, or just supply more batteries inside of the uh Blink doorbell that I had, because I did not know this, but I didn't know that it would flash a red light to everybody that walks past to show that it's dead. That really irked me. Like, why would you do that? Why? So as soon as I saw that, I went and got me some batteries, and I um put them inside the Blink, and then I wiped the camera down because it was a little blurry from me touching on it. But yeah. Then I went back, and y'all, I had made me a seafood boil. This is towards the end of the day. This is like 7, 8 o'clock at night. I had made me a seafood boil. I was craving seafood so bad. So I went ahead and had me some crab legs with some shrimp and some corn, girl. It was just so good. And I made my own butter sauce. So first, oh, and I also bought some new products, which I will be reviewing. It's the Dew Big Papa and the leave-in conditioner. But yeah, I got my crab legs from HEB. And y'all, that seafood boil was bust down. It was so good. But I'm cleaning my crab here, and I'm just showing y'all how the crab look, because I was so excited. Y'all, I was like, oh, I got me some crab legs. I put a little bit of salt on there because I wanted to clean it, but then I was thinking, like, what if it accidentally seasons the crab before it gets seasoned? So I was like, yeah, I'm just put a little bit, just clean it off. And then I took a lime to clean one lime, cut it in half, and then I cut the onions in half. And I will also cut the ginger in half. Well, not half, but like dice it to add to my butter. And that's pretty much what I did. Y'all, I love to cook, so I'll be going in. But yeah, a seafood boil is not a seafood boil without lemons. Let's be for real. So I sliced them into like fours after halving it, and then that's me cutting the ginger now. Y'all, I love seafood. Like, this is what I love to do. And I would rather just get in the kitchen and cook it myself than to go get it, because it's just fun. Cooking is fun, and you get to get some alone time, some peace. You can listen to some music if you want to. It's just a vibe. So this is my ice and cold water bowl that I put the eggs in, because they will continue to cook if you do not stop the process with ice cold water. After that, I'm seasoning the boil, and I did use the Zatarain's seafood boil pack that they sell. It's already in there, and that was after the crabs had cooked already. So this is like fast forward, and I'm pulling them out, putting them in a basket. I mean, in the bowl. And then I'm also adding the shrimp inside so they can cook. Shrimp doesn't take that long. Not even 3 minutes. Like, that hot boiling water will almost cook it instantly. But I'm taking the corn out. That was the last corn. I was trying to figure out if it was the last one. And then I continued to work on the butter, y'all. The butter was so good, y'all. Like, I cannot even express. I was so excited. Look at my expression. But yeah, to continue to talk on mental health, you really have to spend time with yourself to decide on what you do and don't like. You have to spend time with yourself to figure out what you will and will not tolerate. You have to learn yourself. It is very important to be self aware before you bother other people. And not even bother, well, just interact with other people. You have to know yourself. You have to love yourself. So just think about that and let me know in the comments if you have any additional advice. But this is how the seafood boil came out. My sauce came out a little bit thick, but I did add a little bit of the boiled water inside the bowl, so it wasn't that bad. But y'all, look at that. I had to shake me some parsley on there, because a food pick is not a food pick, or a food cam is not a food cam without that parsley shaking on there. So look at that. I had me some eggs, some corn, some crab legs, some shrimp. Y'all, I don't like sausage, so there's no sausage in there. I don't like red meat. I'm really trying to get off of meat in general, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna move to pescatarian, then eventually get to vegan. But yeah, so the shrimp was delicious. Look at my face. But yeah, bye y'all. Enjoy y'all Sunday. Enjoy y'all's week. I will see y'all in the next video.